What's up, everybody? My name is Jason, and welcome to Small Biz. In today's video, we're going to talk about how we've briefly avoided World War III, at least for now, and with retail sales blowing away estimates, more than double expectations. The obvious question of this day is, with 10-year rates taking out 4.63 as we speak, is the stock market about to go a lot lower? All that and more coming right up. Keep them coming, you motherfuckers. I just did the most thumbs down video of all time yesterday, and I worked on Sunday on your behalf. You know, the guy that's got an obscene win rate where some people are making $100,000 motherfucking dollars a month. And if I didn't already tell you, and I know I have, we don't run ads around here anymore. I swear like a drunken sailor, I have no sponsors that I'm obliged to or tied to. And if I offend you, ask me if I motherfucking care. You can always take your cheap motherfucking ass over to shopsmallbiz.com and cancel your account today, like 2 or 3 other people had. But I would like to get this clear right out of the gate. I'm an independent. And while it's true that I can't stand Joe Biden, the hair-sniffing pedo Peter that his own son, and let's not even get into what his daughter accuses him of. I want everybody to be successful. Democrats, got a lot of friends, voted that way myself several times. Leaning this way on some issues, that way on others. Gay, straight, rich, poor, black, white, purple, Korean, North Korean, South Korean, Palestinian, Jew. It doesn't fucking matter. As long as you got peace in your heart and love in your soul, I'm going to do everything in my power to help you make money, both in the stock market and by growing your small business effective today inside of our virtual business channel. So after you get done watching this, you're welcome to go in a very non-spammy sort of way and say, hi, my name's Joe, and I'm an accountant in New York City. If you ever want a second opinion on your taxes, let me know. Hi, my name is Tony, mate. I got some bloody terrific coffee, Drop Bear Coffee. If you'd like a free sample, let me know. And we will ultimately be paying Tony, who's been loyal as a motherfucker to this channel and our business, shopsmallbiz.com, which again is the same as trysmallbiz.com, since the very beginning. So just keep it cool, like you're at a cocktail party. The combination of the virtual business room, the stock chat room, the Ask Jason, where I'll review any and everything within reason that you ask me to, including a graph and where exactly I would buy it. If you're not making 10, 15, 20 to 1, there's something motherfucking wrong with you and not me. I thought he said he was going to chill out. I am. No win rate. Got to get off of complaining about the thumbs down. We'll do that. All right, Tesla. 164.5. All right, listen. There's a rumor, it may have been confirmed by now, that they're going to lay off 20% of the company. 10%'s normal. When that happens, 20%, that's a big question mark. Is it really just related to the pickup truck or whatever the fuck it is they call that thing? Or is there something bigger going on? Answer, I don't know. We keep our limit the same. I own some at 162. I would be there if I don't own it at 162 and again at 152. If you pull up a 5-year chart, there's massive support in the high 130s, low 140s, and where we are right now. So we're, let's say, within 10 or 12% of what could be the multi-year bottom for Tesla. Because you got guys out there that know a lot more about this company than I do, like Ron Barron, that are calling for 1,500, and Kathy Woods from ARC fame, 2,000 in the next 5 to 7 years in the stock. But that's not a guarantee. We're going to own it in and around as low as anybody else does. Again, on Tesla, use a limit to add small or open half a position at 162 and then again at 152 until further notice. All right, Sophie, same thing, $7. I own it at $6.95. Listen, by the way, happy Monday. We're going to do the videos a little different around here. I may come to you earlier, later. I may talk about things you don't want to hear, like yesterday. Ask me if I give a fuck. You're either in or you're out. I know that only 2% of you are willing to buy whatever the fuck it is that I'm selling. And that's access to personal, professional, and financial advice that you can't get anywhere else. And you can pay me, if you want to, $2.50 a day or thereabouts, or save 25% per year. And I will earn every motherfucking dime and then some. But I'm still going through a bit of a transition. We'll eventually figure it out. By the way, even though yesterday's video was the most thumbs down I've ever done, it looks like it's going to be the most watched video in the last 12 months. So I do appreciate most of you that had some kind words. World War III is coming. This bounce, this 200-point bounce, even though the IWM small caps are down because the 10 years at 463 going the wrong way, ain't going to last. Because the minute they launch the counterattack, whether it's small or heavy or somewhere in between, we're coming right back down. We may not take out the lows from Sunday morning or Saturday night. That remains to be seen. But I want you to grab your popcorn because we have an unusual situation where all of the daily charts, for the most part, are oversold. The most oversold since the October low. However, if you pull up the weekly and the monthly, they're just turning down. And that turn down on the weekly can take at least 30 days and 2 or 3 months on the monthly. So in my opinion, I've been saying this now for weeks. We're going sideways. The highs are in as of April 1st to down 3 to 5% from here over the next 30 to 60 days. If we somehow regain our strength, and I don't see that coming, at least not yet, and take out new highs in the next 2 weeks, then this secular bull market, which I've been talking about for years, is much stronger than I anticipated. But something tells me when you've got the 10-year way higher than anyone thought, right? We had what? 4 fucking rate cuts. Then it was 3. Now it's down to 2 or maybe 1 or not at all. The only other time in closing in U.S. history that we had the 10-year on the march to as high as 12% was the 1950s. Post-World War II. And the markets and the economy in the United States and around the world were rocking. So is this the only other time in 100 years where we're going to have interest rates that keep going higher and the stock market does really well? It's only happened once. And it was raging from the late 1940s to the late 1950s, and I think we topped in 1962 or thereabouts. But the most likely scenario is we've got a red-hot economy. The retail sales number was way above expectations. Unemployment is still real fucking low. You've got inflation in some areas, but not so much in others. So until that gets rationalized, felt like having some bloody terrific coffee. You might notice I intentionally go out of my way to tweak people. True. And I ain't done yet. In fact, I'm just getting started. I'm going to start talking about things that you probably don't want to hear. Sometimes it'll be all about the stock market. Sometimes it'll be about dating. How to get laid in your 50s. Whatever it is that I want to fucking talk about. And if you don't like it, you know what you got to do. So until next time, right in mid-thought, always remember, ladies and gentlemen, that I love you. And I can and will make you rich. But you got to go to shopsmallbiz.com and sign up today.